Many people feel frustrated when their energy fades, and that frustration often turns inward. It can feel confusing or discouraging. Well, that feeling makes sense. Before we change anything, let's understand what's happening in simple words. No complicated explanation. Energy is not constant. It naturally rises and falls during the day. This part alone is important to remember. Nothing is wrong with you when energy changes. The problem is not that energy drops. The problem is we often ignore those drops until we feel exhausted. And by the time we notice, we already depleted. The simple idea in this class is this: when you notice your energy early, you can make small choices that protect it. That's it. No tricks, no hacks. This idea has three simple parts. First, noticing. You gently check how your body and mind feel. Not judging, just noticing. Think of it like checking the weather before leaving the house. Second, choosing. You match your task to your energy instead of forcing yourself. Not every task needs the same level of effort. Third, easing. You give yourself permission to slow down without guilt. And that permission alone can change how the day feels. For example, if you feel heavy and unfocused in the afternoon, you can choose a lighter task because your energy is asking for less pressure. That's not quitting, that's listening. I noticed this myself when I stopped pushing through tired moments. I didn't do less work, I just worked with more kindness. And surprisingly, things still got done. Here's the simple flow we'll follow. First, you'll write down your energy check. Next, you'll add how you usually spend energy. Finally, you'll choose one gentle adjustment that makes the day smoother. Seeing it written down makes a difference. This works because it turns energy into something you can see on paper. Once it's visible, it's easier to work with. If you're feeling a little clearer right now, that's exactly the point. This is where it starts to feel lighter. If you want me to guide you through the full step by step version where I explain everything slowly with real examples, you can take the full class free for a month using my link below. It continues right from here so you don't lose your momentum. And you'll also get access to thousands of other creative classes for the month. Before you go, let me know in the comments what part of managing your energy feels hardest right now. Your comments really help more beginners discover this video, and I read everyone. Thanks so much for watching. And if this helped even a little, feel free to like the video and subscribe so you don't miss the next one.